Union's urban wind turbine. Union, a fresh and innovative startup, is bringing a new twist to wind energy in the cityscape. They've designed a wind turbine specifically made for urban environments, cleverly addressing the usual challenges of capturing wind power amidst skyscrapers and busy streets. Drawing inspiration from the energy self-sufficiency of French Polynesian islands, Union's creation has the potential to revolutionize city-based renewable energy solutions, making a cleaner, more efficient energy mix a reality for urban dwellers.